go to Old Sac and watch the fireworks. Yeah. Yeah, that was just lame. Hey.
Now we know where to park next year. Yeah. Let's park right here again, huh?
Yeah. Well, a nice stroll. It's fun.
Hey, buddy.
It's okay.
Yeah. Hey, get off.
Everyone's getting ready for fireworks. Look at all the people waiting.
It takes you 6 hours to get down to San Francisco. Or 10 minutes. Yeah, more logistics than that.
Everyone's waiting for fireworks.
At least if you were if you rode big mat, that would have been 5 times.
I know, it's okay. They're doing fireworks here? They can bring it, do it here? Wow!
You know what this kind of reminds me of?
Chicago.
Yeah.
I know. And the atmosphere, huh?
Yeah.
Wow!
Let's go park right there. Let's just make it. So you have to do that or...
Where?
No, not for you. But I think it's going to shoot right behind the pyramid.
Okay.
That was so
Let's
cool,
park
Mom.
right here.
Okay.
Or right here? Right here?
Can we go?
Yeah, yes, go do whatever you want. We're going to do right here. Look at me.
Daddy, thank you for taking us to the zoo and taking us to the side.
You're welcome. Are you having so much fun?
Yeah, I think I saw 6 or 7
Wow, that's good.
fireworks.
Yeah.
I've been riding my scooter.
I'm glad you're having fun.
It's so fun. Last person to do. This is not I see some. Why is it so delayed?
I get no help from Mom at all. She's going up there to do that. Thank you, buddy.
Can't do it.
Gotta carry your scooter.